Hello, this is Bella from the Technical Services window here at William Paterson. Today I'm going over the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro Phone Gimbal. To set up the phone gimbal, you first take it out of the case. One thing to point out, the gimbal has tripod leg extenders located here. This makes it so you don't have to hold it the entire time. To begin setting up, hold down and flip up the arm. It will automatically turn on while you are unfolding. To put your phone on the gimbal, you have to take the Insta360 phone clamp and attach it to your device. To do so, you have to hook one side onto your phone, then pull it towards you and attach it. Make sure that your phone is secure on the gimbal. To properly line up the clamp to the arm, line the top of the clamp to the red dot on the arm. When it is properly in place, the gimbal will take the phone and hold it up. To connect and use the phone gimbal, you will need to download the Insta360 app, so make sure your device has enough storage. If you scan the QR code in the case, it will bring you to a link to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open and confirm your age and agree to the terms of service. Then, allow the app to find Bluetooth and local network connections. Make sure to allow Insta360 to send notifications as well. If you don't allow this, you will not be able to connect to the gimbal. Next, either log in or sign up for an account. Enter your email, send a verification, and enter a password for the account and then sign up. Allow Insta360 to access the photo library so it can send footage taken on the app to your photos. After you follow these steps, you will then be prompted to find a device. On this pop-up screen, click the yellow Connect button. If you don't see this, that's because you didn't allow the app to send notifications. To fix this, go into your settings, scroll down to Apps, find the Insta360 app, then find Notification Settings and allow notifications. After this, you will be prompted with a download. Press the yellow download button and allow it to install. This may take a few minutes. Now, you will see a welcome screen and press begin. This is where you will be introduced to all of the controls. First, we'll start with the joystick. To move the gimbal, you use the joystick. To move it left, you push the joystick left, and each direction is the same thing. Now I will go over the functions of the back trigger. Double tap to recenter or reset the gimbal. Press 3 times to allow the gimbal to flip backwards or forwards. If the phone flips down, reset it by double-clicking the back trigger. You are also able to track with the gimbal. Tap and drag over an object to track it. Tap the back once to stop tracking. The control circle has 2 different functions. One is pressing the buttons, and the other one is swiping on top of the circle. While pressing the buttons, you have the switch. Single press the switch button to flip between the front and back camera. Press the switch button twice to change the orientation or manually move the phone. Press 3 times to switch between photo and video mode. The shutter button. Single press the red button or the shutter button to begin recording. Press it again to stop. The M button. Long press the M to power on and power off the gimbal. The C button. Single press to start a 360 panoramic shot. Now I'll be going on to the swipe settings. Swipe clockwise a half circle to switch shooting mode and swipe counterclockwise to switch to the last mode on the left. The zoom wheel. In auto, F, or PF mode, turn the wheel to zoom in and out. The interface is similar to using a stereotypical camera, such as the Blackmagic 6K Pro. The top of the screen gives a bunch of different settings. At the top left, there are 3 little buttons, which show the basic settings. Here, you can add a histogram, a grid, change the recording format, redo the tutorial, or find other things with the device. The gimbal button shows the shortcuts, calibrations, and controls speed with the joystick, tracking, or creative photography. The camera button in the middle can change between auto and manual camera, and you can change the shutter rates, the ISO, and even white balance the scene. On the button next to the camera, you can change the resolution and the FPS.
FPS means the frames per second.
If you press the home button, it takes you out of shooting mode and into the home screen. You can also remote control the current device on the gimbal with another phone. Press the button underneath the gimbal icon and follow the instructions. It will bring you onto a web address that allows you to remote control the device, such as moving it, taking pictures, videos, etc. The right side of the screen gives a handful of different features. The green and blue slate uses AI to help you figure out what settings would be best for your filming environment. The lightning icon adjusts the flash settings. To take apart and put away the gimbal, first take your device off the gimbal by simply pulling with a little force. The magnet is strong. Take the clamp off of your phone and set it back in the case. Next, hold the top of the gimbal and pull down on the arm. Push the arm around. Then line up the device like so. Push the legs back into the tripod, then set it back into the case. That is the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro phone gimbal. If you have any issues, contact the Technical Services window. Thank you for watching.